Tools that you need for the project. Screwdriver. Steps on how to disassemble and assemble a laptop. First, you need to remove the battery. Unscrew the screws for inner components. Put aside all the removed components orderly. Second, remove the heatsink and the cooling fan. Third, remove the RAM. Fourth, remove the hard drive. Fifth, remove the optical drive. Laptop parts, motherboard, processor, memory, case, power supply, floppy disk, hard disk, CD-ROM, keyboard, mouse, video card, monitor, sound card, speaker, modem. Install motherboard. Upang maiwasan natin ang pinsala sa motherboard, dapat magkaugnay ang mga tornilyo nito. The processor is often thought as the engine of the computer. It is also called the CPU. Compact disk read-only memory. Data is permanently burned onto the disk during its manufacture. A CD-ROM or optical drive is the device used to read them. A DVD-ROM drive is required to read a DVD. RAM. Ilagay ang RAM board in the socket. Kailangan natin i-check ito ng mabuti kung tama ang pagkakalagay. If it is not, you need to turn it around. Then, maigpit natin pindutin ang magkabilang dulo ng board upang di ito matanggal. Tiyakin natin itong nakalock ang mga tab. Hard disk drive are common storage devices. They are generally non-removable disks. Almost all computers use hard disk drives to store data. They can store all digital content, documents, pictures, music, videos, program, application preference, and operating system represent digital content stored on hard drive. Hard drives can be external or internal. The floppy drive is an inexpensive, low-capacity, removable media magnet storage device. If you have an older Windows 98, ME, XP, or 2000 PC or laptop with a 3.5-inch floppy drive, it might be able to read and copy the floppy to the computer's hard drive. Then you can copy the data over your LAN to a modern PC. DVD drive. Buksan ang computer laptop upang ma-install ang DVD drive. Ang pagbubukas ay nakadepende sa model ng iyong computer laptop. Alisin ang buong takip at itabi ang mga anumang tornilyo nito na nakakabit at alisin ang takip ng slot ng drive at ilagay ang CD or DVD drive sa laptop. Sound card. It enables the PC to generate complex sound. The sound cards and the speakers are covered in detail chapter 16. Audio hardware. Video cards typically have their own bank of memory to improve the rate at which the image on screen can be updated. Video cards can have a variety of connectors on them for connecting video displays devices. CPU fan. Ilagay ang thermal compound sa CPU matapos i-assemble on the CPU. I-pull natin ang locking rod down sa fan para malak ito. I-connect natin ang fan connector sa motherboard. The floppy drive is an inexpensive, low-capacity, removable media magnet storage device. If you have an older Windows 98, ME, XP, or 2000 PC or laptop with a 3.5-inch floppy drive, it might be able to read and copy the floppy to the computer's hard drive. Then you can copy the data over your LAN to a modern PC. Power supply is an internal computer component that converts line voltage AC power from an electrical outlet to the low voltage direct current power needed by system's component. Most pre-built PCs ship with a modem, generally an internally modem, modems and other internet connectivity devices. Laptop parts: motherboard, processor, memory, case, power supply, floppy disk, hard disk, CD-ROM, keyboard, mouse, video card, monitor, sound card, speaker, modem. Laptop computer is a complete computer system that is small, compact, lightweight, ABD portable. All laptops have specialized hardware designed especially for use in a smaller portable system. Use standard operating system can run on battery or alternating current power and can connect to the other devices.